dealing with the shading scheme attached to the wall. So let's go to the menu here and let's edit number 2. So let's call this one, I don't know, room X shade. So we have a bunch of parameters here. We have overhangs, drops, left reveals, and right reveals. Hold on. There we go. So if we look at the wall from the front, the overhang is what comes out like this. Comes out the front. Left reveal is on the left-hand side as you're looking from the external. All the stuff in camel is looking externally onto the wall. So the left reveal is this piece here. The right reveal is this piece here. And then the drop comes down off the overhang. And you have the flexibility in camel to rotate each of these, but they all have to be flat again. Nothing in camel curve. So when we look at this, if we're looking externally, so let's draw an eye. That's my attempt at an eye. So we're looking this way. So what we have on this wall is we have a wall on this side, on the left-hand side. So we have some kind of shading over here, because the edge of the building's blocking it. Probably won't have much of an effect, because that means if there's sun coming from here, none of this is going to shade it anyway. So we can just ignore that for this example. It's not going to do anything. But this wall over here, this right reveal, if the sun's coming from this angle, where it would normally impact on the wall, the rest of the building is going to shade it. So that's what we're going to draw. And let's just come up with some dimensions. Let's say that's, I don't know, 40 meters. And this is a one-story building, and everything's 4 meters high. So what we can do here is we go into, what do you reckon, the left or the right reveal? The right reveal, yes. So our depth, that's the length of the reveal. The distance is a gap away from the wall in case you need to separate it from whatever it's being attached to. Oh, sorry, distance is something else. Well, let's put the 40 meters in here. So if we look at the best way to work out what each of these mean is just put them in and have a play with them. So as you can see here, this is our edge of the building here. That's extruding 40 meters. These diagrams are not to scale, of course. They're just to show you an indication of what's actually happening. So if I just put any number in the distance one, it'll tell you what it does. It separates it that way. What the gap does, separates it that way. So if we have both, it separates it in both directions. And then top and bottom extends it past the top and bottom of the wall. So its current height is exactly the same as the height as whatever you attach it to. And factor, that just defines opaque or transparent. So if we turn this off, it's currently opaque, which is what we want. I think 0 is for opaque. Yep, see how it's still black? Whereas if I go, say, 0.5, it becomes translucent. And if I go all the way to 1, it's transparent. But we want opaque because it's the wall of the building. So let's go back out of that. That's all we need. And we apply this to the wall. So if we have a look here now, this is our wall that we had, and this other piece here, which is hard to look at, this is actually the edge of the building. You see that now? So if I try and, no, I'm not going to be able to spin it around. Does that make sense what I've done there? So I've modeled the edge of the building as a shading scheme, as a reveal on the wall. So with edges of buildings, this is the best way to do it. Who's had a crack at the solar fins? Anybody? Okay, let's put in some solar fins. I'll just make up as I go along. So let's build some windows. Let's just use 6 mil. And let's just make a standard size. 2400 high, 800 deep. Let's put a 1.7. And we don't want this. Fantastic. So let's say we want, I don't know, 10 of these. Not too many. 5. We want them horizontally spaced. Let's just change a few dimensions to get them off the ground. Okay, that looks good enough to me. So we've got some windows there. And let's say we had some solar fins such that, I don't know why we need solar fins, because we have wall there, such that they go this way. We have one on each window. So the way we model those is we need a new shading scheme for our windows, which is applied to this box here. So let's put it in here, edit, let's call it window example. So, what do we need for the solar fin? Has it got an overhang, the normal part, that comes out like a, I don't even know what you call that thing. Do we have reveals? Do we have a drop? What do we have? You've all seen the amendments document. There's some pretty pictures in there now.
What is a solar?
Sorry?
What is a solar?
Have a Google it. Google solar fin.
They just extend out, right?
They
No
just
overhang.
extend out, so there's no top part, there's no drop, it's just the reveal. Again, if you're still confused with what a solar fin is, either Google it or read the amendments document. There's pictures in there. Okay, so left reveal or right reveal. From what the details I've given, it's not really specified, so let's pick one. What's your favorite? Left? Okay. So let's say these extend out, I don't know, 1200. There we go. So we got that now. And that goes straight out. And from my drawing, I have them at an angle. So let's use a rotation of, say, 45 degrees. And now it's gone out exactly the way we want it. And let's also say that for some reason the architect didn't want them all the way down the length of the window, so he's got them to come up 400 from the bottom of the window. So now it looks like that. Okay? And let's make these solar fins translucent. So they look like this. Okay. Let's go back up. Let's apply it to our windows. Let's have a look at what it looks like now. There's our solar fins. Let's just remove this for a moment so that you can see. There we go. There it is. there's our pre-walk. So that's the two types of shading near sign. So, any questions about specific parts you want me to go back over? Either the building shading or the window shading. Most of it is type in numbers.